everybody, welcome back to JD's Cocinando. Today I'm going to be making some shrimp ceviche that was requested by Ashley Bravo, one of my subscribers. Thank you, Ashley. So the ingredients needed are going to really depend on how much shrimp you're going to be using. So I'm using 8 pounds of shrimp, so I'm going to be using 8 tomatoes and cucumbers. So let's say for example you have 1 pound, you could use 1 tomato and 1 cucumber, but it all depends on your taste. So the ingredients we're going to be using are 8 pounds of shrimp, 2 red onions, 1 whole cilantro, 8 tomatoes, 8 cucumbers, a whole bottle of clamato, tostadas, mayonnaise, and you're going to have to get enough lemon to cover all the shrimp. So we got a lot of lemon because we have a lot of shrimp to cover everything. Pepper, salt, and hot sauce. Alright, so for the first step what you're going to want to do is peel the shrimp. Then once you do that, you just put it in another container, and you do that for all the shrimp. Once you're done peeling the shrimp, what you're going to do is cut it. So it's going to be a little tricky since like they're round. So my tip is to try to cut it from the tail. Cut it, you're going to want to get it and put it to the side and then continue. So once all the shrimp is all cut, like it should look like about this, what you're going to want to do next is cut the lemon. Once you cut all the lemons, I just cut a few for now. What you're going to do is pour it like this. You have to use a strainer because we don't want any of the seeds to get in. Don't worry about what just happened. Alright. Once you squeeze all the lemons, what you're going to do is pour it all over the shrimp. Make sure it covers all of it. So once all of the lemon is cut and squeezed, all of the lemon should cover the shrimp like this. It took us about 56 lemons. And now what you're going to do is get 1/4 a cup of salt and put it all around. And then you mix it. To leave the shrimp overnight so the lemon can make it have a better taste. It's time to cut the vegetables. Alright, so what you're going to do is first we're going to cut the cucumbers. First you have to peel it, and then you cut it in half. Cut it 1, 2, and then 3. Once you do that, what you're going to do is you stack it by 2 like this. Then you just cut it in little pieces. Alright, so once you cut it all, what you're going to do is grab 2 and then cut them in very little pieces. Right, so what you're going to do next is the tomato. You're going to want to take off the stem and then cut it in circles. Alright, so when you get to the bottom, what you're going to do is cut it like this. And cut it into very little pieces like this. You're gonna want to try to do the same with these. Just first cut. So now we're gonna want to cut the onions. What we're gonna do is cut it in half. It might be a little difficult. It's difficult for me, that's for sure. After you do that, you're gonna want to cut it like this. After you do that, what you're going to want to do is cut it in very small pieces. Alright, so once you do that, you're going to want to do that for the rest of the onions. So what you're going to want to do next is cut the cilantro. So you get a little piece from the big cilantro that you have, then cut it in very little pieces. After you do that, you put it in where all the vegetables are, and you do that for the rest of the cilantro. Alright guys, so after a day, this is how the shrimp and the vegetables should look. Alright, so what you're going to do now is slowly dump all the lemon juice out. Alright, so once you dump all the lemon out of the shrimp, what you're going to do is dump all the vegetables in. Alright, so once you added all the vegetables into the shrimp, what you're going to do is add the clamato.
2 shots of vodka.
So you're going to want to use about all of it, and then just mix it in. Alright guys, so this is how the shrimp ceviche should look like. And now we're going to move on to the tostadas. We like to eat it with a lot of mayonnaise, so what we do is we get a lot of mayonnaise, just cover it on. I think I grabbed a little too much. Like about, that's good. Then what you're going to do is grab some of the shrimp ceviche, then pour out like that. After that, what you're going to do, grab some pepper and some salt and some hot sauce if you want. And if you guys want, you guys could add a little bit of lemon as well if you want to. So this should be the end result, guys. So if you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.